Film directors are responsible for bringing a script to life on screen. They make key creative decisions about how a film looks, sounds, and feels, working closely with actors, camera operators, and editors to create a final product. They plan shots, guide performances, and ensure everything runs smoothly on set. Directors need strong leadership skills, creativity, and the ability to manage both time and budgets while keeping their artistic vision clear. They also work with producers and writers to shape the story, making sure it connects with audiences in the best possible way. The yearly salary of a film director in the UK varies massively. Those working on small independent films or starting out may earn very little, sometimes even working for free to gain experience. More established directors can earn between £40,000 and £100,000 per film, while top industry professionals working on big-budget productions can make millions. Many directors also work freelance, meaning their income depends on the projects they secure. There are no set qualifications to become a film director, but most start by gaining experience in the film industry. Many study film production, media, or a related subject at university or film school, while others begin as runners or assistants on film sets. Practical experience, a strong portfolio, and networking are key. Aspiring directors often create their own short films to showcase their skills and build a reputation in the industry.